We made it to Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan. Check out the tide pools. We're gonna hang out in this area for sunset and see if I can figure out a cool shot. Tide pool's pretty sweet. There's a lot of bubbles or something floating on the surface. Debris. Don't know what it is. Algae. Tide pool animals. Lake monsters. Oh, look. That's cool. I'm just gonna go explore. Gonna go look around. See what we see. Kinda neat. that's Lake Huron. And that's Lake Michigan.
Awesome. Yeah, we wanted to camp at the campground in this area last night, just down the road, but it was closed for renovations. So, pictured rocks. Next time we're here, definitely will have to be in a different season so we can see the rocks by boat. Gorgeous area. Very, very, very windy. Of course, it's calm at the moment, but it's been extraordinarily gusty all day. Oh, is there more?
Yeah, I found steps.
Okay. But wait, there's more. We made it to Miner's Castle. We decided to drive over to Miners Beach and check out the view from here. I could not tell that those were big hunks of ice from up there. I thought they were crazy rock formations. Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. Pretty place for sure. We've enjoyed our real quick trip to Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, but we've got to hit the road. We've got a lot of miles to cover in the next 24 hours. So I absolutely adore seeing wildlife of any kind in their natural habitat. I especially love seeing swans. So when we passed by and saw these 4 swans swimming away, we thought it'd be a good opportunity to stop and enjoy watching them as well. So we have traveled over 2,000 miles in the last few days, and we have made it back to Detroit Lakes. We are almost at the end of our destination. The last time we were at Detroit Lakes, it was completely covered in ice. There were tons of ice fishermen out there. And as you can see behind me, the lake has returned to lake status and the loons are out there enjoying it.